Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to see people you unfollowed on LinkedIn. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Did you know that LinkedIn allows you to unfollow connections without actually removing them as connections? This will stop you from seeing their posts in your feed, but your connection will remain intact. If you ever want to view the user you unfollowed LinkedIn and even resume following them, in this video I will show you how to do it. So first of all, first you have to open our LinkedIn app. You can log in into your account. After that, for example, we'll try to follow this account. Now I'm following him and I want to unfollow it. And let's see, it will, now you can go to the settings by tap on the up left corner here. You can go to the settings, tap on settings. You can go to account preferences. You can just scroll down. On the general preferences section, there is an option, people you unfollowed. You can just tap on that. So here's all the account people that you unfollow on your LinkedIn. It's very simple, right? So that is how to see people you unfollowed on LinkedIn. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.